In this video, I'm going to explain you relational model. It is one of the database model and which was introduced in 1970 by E.F. Codd. And in this model, data is maintained in the form of tabular form, which consists rows and columns. Okay, so when we learned RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, already we discussed that relational is nothing but when the database maintains the data in the form of table, that is called as a relation. So that this model is called as relational model. And here the tabular form consisting rows and columns, but the different terms are there. Rows are called as tuples, columns are called as attributes or fields. If you see this example, here employee is one table and a department is one table. And here these all are called as, rows are called as tuples, or we can also call as records. First record, second, third, fourth. Okay, and the columns are called as fields. Field 1 are also called as attribute. No, so attribute are field. Both are same. Employee number is an attribute. Employee name, job, salary, department number. These are the fields of this table. So like this, every data is maintained in the form of table is called as relational model. And here is two tables, and in the relational model, every table maintains one primary key and one foreign key, and with the foreign key we connect another table with its primary key, so that every table maintains two keys, primary key and foreign key, and the foreign key reference to the primary key of another table. Like this, these two are used to connect the link between two tables. And here using this model we have some advantages and at the same time disadvantages. So first advantage is easier database design. So when we are designing a database, it is very simple to design a database in the form of table. Simply we can take the number of rows, tuples, treat as records, and the columns are like fields. And easy implementation and management. We can easily implement the data in the form of table, and management also very easy, like it is following rows and columns format. And the usage also very easily we can use the data of this table. And the structural independence, every data is independent. Here employee number consists numbers only, name consists names, so job it describes about the job of the person, salary describes about the salary, and the department. Like this, every data is independent here. So like we have some advantages, and at the same time we have some disadvantages. It requires large hardware and software overhead. So when we maintain the relational database model, we need large hardware and software. Okay, and possibility of poor design and implementation. Sometimes when the data is large, the implementation is somewhat hard. So like this, using relational database model, we have some advantages, at the same time only some disadvantages. Thank you.